Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkaratarot and to your in-depth love read. Let's see what's going on with you Sagittarius, what's going on with your person and what action we can expect in this connection. And of course these are general collective readings, Saggis, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Saggis, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, newbies, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Sagittarius and their person. Newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. In the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So this is for person A and this is for person B. Actions. Bottom of my deck, I have a King of Wands. Okay, so somebody's feeling a little down and out, Sagittarius. Maybe that person cheated on them or snuck away from them, or there is a lot of depression and sadness here. One person is in sadness and the other person is recognizing they did cause this tower to collapse. They've lost a very wonderful connection. The Two of Cups is in reverse. Why is that? I don't know. I'll clarify these cards. Saggis, let's start with some dialogue message cards first, okay? Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. Sagittarius and their person spirit. Sagittarius and their person. Take a few more Saggis from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. All right. The first card here, Sagittarius, says, I realize that you did not make me feel bad about myself. I did that. I've been hurt so badly. I don't know if I can really love again. I'm not your prince and you're not my princess. I am your emperor and you are my empress. Waiting on you to forgive me. I promise I can change. Well, there was a King of Wands in the upright as our overall energy. Maybe somebody does want to take action now. Trying to gather up the courage to get in contact with you. And the last one here, Saggi says, I imagine the kind of person you'd want to be with. And that person is nothing like me. Okay, so either somebody is having self-worth issues here. Let's see what's happening. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, but before that, Saggis, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And it is, don't compromise. Don't compromise. If I have a feeling one person loves more than the other, but they're always faced with the other person either lying to them or not giving clarity, or so Spirit's advice is don't compromise. Make sure the other person meets you halfway. So why is I'm going to start with person A, okay, Saggis, then we'll move on to the other side. Person A, why are you feeling in the Seven of Cups in reverse energy? Yes, this person is feeling very overwhelmed, very burdened, very overwhelmed. Maybe they've been waiting for their person to make a choice so that they can get out of this lack feeling, but right now feeling very overwhelmed. Why Seven of Swords? Because things are very stuck between the two of you. Maybe person is person, who could be person B, never offered them that cup of love. So things are quite stuck at the moment. Maybe person B escaped this connection or cheated on them or did some. Let's find out. What happened, person A, in the recent past that you're feeling this way? Ace of Swords in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. Somebody didn't offer a passionate new beginning, even though I think person A could be the person who was patiently waiting for this offer. But this Two of Cups is still in reverse, right? Both sides. It's like a broken soulmate connect, which is making person A feel very upset and very, very angry. I do feel person A had a lot of love in their heart to offer, but it was not reciprocated. Am I right, person A? What's this Ace of Cups for you in the recent past? Yes, person A says, I had been wishing, hoping, holding on desperately. I've been through all my depressions, but still I waited. I mean, I was praying, I was waiting. Why? For this commitment. But I think that person just held back from offering it. How do you feel about the connection now, person A? Well, person A says, I feel like an empress in reverse. I feel disrespected. I've not been offered any kind of decision that has not, my person has not made any kind of a decision. They're only chasing their money, their work, their finances, their houses, their cars. They refuse to be that King of Pentacles who actually does the right thing for their spouse, or, takes on a spouse and does the right thing. They have made me no offer, even though I've been waiting for a long time, stuck, for them to make a choice. Tell me what direction are we going in? One more. Yes, I think person A is the one who's holding that cup of love. So person A still does love person B, but they are upset, angry, very sad that they are feeling unrespected by somebody who's irresponsible. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Why do you see a person like that, person A? Okay, one more. One more. Person A says, I did see them as my King of Pentacles, as the person I wanted for the long haul. I so desperately thought I would be their empress or they would treat me like one. But all they did was nothing. They didn't work towards this connection. In fact, they never moved towards making this connection grow. There is barely any communication, if any, and they are the cause of this tower falling, because they built no firm foundation. Both the cards have been repeated. See, Empress and the King of Pentacles. This is what person A wanted. But right now, person A feels person B is the King of Pentacles in reverse, and now I'm feeling like the Empress in reverse. So what action you will take, person A? I'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, see, they know. This is the same card, right? Person A says, well, I know this King of Pentacles was the cause. And in their feelings also, they have the same card, the Tower in reverse, which means they know that they, could have been very rash, very immature. Maybe there was a fight. Maybe they said some harsh words, not caring for the other person's feelings, So they are realizing, that's what's caused this connection to fall. Look, same cards again. Somebody cheated, somebody lied, somebody snuck away from the connection. Same position for both of you. So somebody knows here what they did. Why? What's this Two of Cups in reverse, person B, for you? Okay, one more. Maybe the silence between the two of you right now. It almost seems like this connection has ended. The love is lost. Maybe somebody was keeping secrets about third parties, maybe, or something that they had to do in their life. Whatever happened, person B is acknowledging that this connection has stagnated big time. So what happened in the recent past, person B, that you're feeling this way? Page of Cups in reverse. They were not ready. Yeah, see? They were protecting themselves. They were pulled in different directions. They shut their eyes, close their ears, everything to say, don't look at me, I'm not ready, I'm not ready. I refuse to make a choice, refuse to make a decision. I'm not ready to offer any new love, new beginning. And if I have misbehaved, I'm not even apologizing. I think they never took action. They never took action to offer person A something, tangible. So Ace of Wands in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. I think they knew that person A was waiting for them to make that offer, but they refused to see it. Maybe they put their head down and concentrated on their work, their business, their own life or whatever, and they left their partner, who I think is person A, feeling discontent and lonely and not being given that offer. And person B is totally aware. They are aware. It's not that they are saying, oh, what happened? Person A, what did I do wrong? They absolutely know what they did. How do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B is saying the same thing. Things are stuck between the two of us. We're not really communicating. There's too much of drama that's been created in this connection. And, I've decided to walk away, or maybe they feel their person is walking away. There is a walking away after some drama has been created. Okay, and there's barely any communication. Wheel of Fortune is stuck because somebody couldn't decide. They were not fighting for the connection. There was always that, one man up ship, I'm better than you, you listen to me, it's my way or the highway. So there's been some bitter arguments and bitter fights because person B never wanted to make that decision. They wanted to keep it a bit lopsided. They know they've exhausted their partner now, so let's see what actions you guys will take. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, Sagittarius, and I'm going to request you to hit that like button if this is resonating with your storyline or even entertaining you. It just makes me feel very happy, and yes, it does help the videos to circulate. And newbies, when you subscribe, please hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can notify you whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. Okay, person A, the action that you will take towards person B or otherwise. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action? Oh. Too many. One card. What's that? Why is that an action? High Priestess. Death. And the Four of Wands. I think person A is holding back as well now. They are not going to compromise. They are not going to compromise. They are listening to their intuition. I think person A is holding back, listening to their intuition. Like this card said, don't compromise. I think they want a total transformation of this connection. Either let's end it, or if we do begin, then it has to be everything. I want the Four of Wands. I want a happily ever after. I want a proposal, for God's sake, because I love you. That's what person A is saying. But I'm not going to be stuck, feeling in lack, with you not talking to me, me not talking to you. So either transform the connection, that's what person A is saying to person B, either end it or transform it. Actually transform it, I think that's what person A really wants, and come and offer me something which is tangible. Okay, so person B, any action from your end? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Well, this person is very stagnant. Knight of, why is that an action? That is no action, I would say. Just seeing that card tells me there's a full stop here. Hanged Man in reverse. Okay. What else? The Emperor. Okay. What do you want? What action do you want to take? Will you take any action towards person A? Knight of Pentacles again. And the Eight of Cups. I don't know, Sagittarius person B, they like to be in control of their own life. It's like, I will do things at my own pace. Don't push me. They see that person walking away, but they're really not chasing or running or trying to make things better. In fact, this person is a bit cocky, I would say. Look at the way they're sitting, looking away and saying, hey, I will do things at my own pace. Don't rush me. If my person wants to walk away, well, there's nothing I can do at the moment. I will come to them because I'm still got lots of other stuff to do. And I will reach them when I reach them. Am I right? That's not good behavior, person B. I'm going to give you one more chance. Any action from your end? Any action from your end towards person A? World. I have a feeling the love is there. They do love person A a lot. They do see them as a wish fulfillment. They do want to return. I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to sugarcoat this one. They do want to come back and start anew. But they're still showing up with this energy, which I'm a little concerned about. This is the Knight of Wands. To be able to come and go as I please. Passion. I'll show everything. Even though I love you, but I'm not going to show it. Person A, I'll give you another card. Any action from your end? Page of Wands, Hierophant. Person A is not compromising. Person A says, the only message I'm going to respond to now is the one that is going to assure me commitment. I will not compromise. Person B wants to be seen as the Emperor. They do care for person A a lot, I think. There's a lot of love, but they want to do it at their own pace. Barely moving, stagnant energy, burdened with other responsibilities. Yes, I can pop in once in a while to show you a bit of passion, but don't ask me for anything else yet. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Sagittarius.